Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I'm going to show you a quick comparison here. Here's my Mach 1, 120,000 miles, but you can still see the suspension's pretty firm as I push down. Now, look at my GT. Oh my gosh, what a boat. The suspension is completely gone. The shocks and struts are just gone with 200,000 miles. And so, when I'm driving down the freeway, I'm not even joking you, at freeway speed, when you barely turn the steering wheel like this much, it literally sways like this on the inside, and it's completely dangerous and everything like that. So I even took the car out to show you guys a quick example here when I hit the brakes. See how bad it nosedives. I mean, the suspension's just completely gone. So it might be hard to see in this video, but I got it going about 40, a little bit of a sway back and forth. Kind of hard to tell, but just trust me, it needs some new shocks and struts. So that's what I ordered, and I got a specific brand that I really like, and there's a few reasons why I liked it, so I was going to show you that. So here's the unboxing, and they actually arrived a lot sooner than it said it was going to show up. So anyway, we opened these up. These are Tokiko brand, and so you might wonder where I came up with that idea and what brand. But the idea here is Tokiko is a good brand that I've had on my other cars, and it's actually the factory shocks and struts that you find on the Mach 1. The black ones are the ones that come on the Mach 1, and the ones that I have here are a little different, but these are going to go on the GT, of course. And so here's what they look like. They're the Tokiko Blues, the HDs, and just a very nice shock absorber, and I really liked having them on my other car. And it was when I was a lot younger. It was the first set of shocks and struts that I had installed, and that was on my 97 Mustang V6. So here's a picture of that one. And I like these shocks so much that when I did sell my V6, I almost took them off to switch them over to the Mach 1. So anyway, we'll have some install videos coming up soon, but just wanted to share this with you. So thanks for watching.